What's up YouTube, this is PK back here with another tutorial video, and in today's tutorial video we are going to make a dagger or a knife for your gaming channel. So let's get started. Now we are going to use a different technique called the live mirror in this tutorial. So for that we need some panels to be opened, and let's go to the Windows menu and click the align panel to open the align panel, and again go to window and click on the layers panel to open the layers panel. Then we will need one more thing, that is the smart guides. So go to the view menu and click on the smart guides to enable the smart guides. Now we are ready. Click P on your keyboard to select the pen tool and then just go to the center of the page. Now the smart guides will help you to find the center of the page like this. Then click on the edge of the page. Hold shift on your keyboard to create a straight line and click again where you see intersect. Now select this line and go to the layers menu and just lock this layer, and then press create new layer to create a new layer. Now make a horizontal line following the same way and align this line to the center of the page like this. Now go to the layers panel and you see a small circle. Click on this circle to target the layer. Go to effects, distort and transform, and click on transform. Now select reflect X and make one copy and then press OK. Now just hide this path and start drawing anything like this, and you can see the effect is working for us. Now let's draw the dagger. Select your fill as none so you can work nicely. I am making these copies by holding the Alt or Option key on my keyboard and clicking the object and dragging. Like this. Now press P on your keyboard, click on this anchor point and this anchor point and make a nice round circle like this. Select both and click divide. Select the bottom part and hit delete. Now again with the ellipse tool, Now let's make some decorative wings for this. To round the corner, press A on your keyboard to select the diet selection tool and click on the anchor point. Then go to the dot and drag it inside to make it round like this. And to round the outer part, just select the ellipse tool, make a circle, align it like this, select both the object and click on minus front. Alt click and drag to make a copy. Now we just need this much part, so again select both, minus front. Now this thing doesn't seem to work, so I am going to select the shape builder tool and just minus this from my object and align it like this. Select everything, group it together, just drag it down. You can see it's looking nice. The next is we need some shadows. So for that, now we are going to work with the strokes like this. Then again selecting from uniform, this, go to this edge, press P on your keyboard to select the pen tool. I think I should do it once again. Now it's looking good. Now at last, just unlock this layer and delete it. So we have our artboard ready. Now you can see that we cannot select this side of the object, and to do that, target your layer once again, go to object, expand appearance. Now you can see we can select everything. Now there are some problems with this artboard. You can see these two lines are not joined properly, and also some of the part is going outside the dagger. So for that, just press V on your keyboard, right click, ungroup once, and align them nicely. Now you can see we have created some distorted and groups. So just select these objects and just drag them like this. also go to these anchor points. And then just merge them together like this. Now we just need to color this artboard. And here you go, your design is ready. Now just color this artboard according to your need and use it everywhere you want. You can find this file linked in the description below, so you can manipulate it according to your needs. And this is PK signing off, and I hope this video was not as bad as my last video, so I hope I am improving. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.